buddies, how are you all? I hope you are fine. What we have done last period? So we have completed chapter number 3 exercise. If it is due, please complete today itself. Don't keep pending. So today what we have to do? So today we have to start new chapter, evolution of transport and communication, chapter number 4. Okay, chapter number 4, evolution of transport and communication. Okay, so today we have to learn about introductory part. First is the beginning of a transport. In ancient period, suppose we'll go, suppose over there, no transportation, no vehicle, no wheel. Okay, so wheel is one of the important innovation, important discovery we observed that time. Okay, so it has certainly become an essential part of our life. In the early period, human civilization, period of the human civilization, this is a early period of a human civilization. There were no vehicles used to carry large objects, then they carried themselves, otherwise with the help of animals. Okay, no vehicle. See, no vehicle, so object have to carry themselves, otherwise with the help of animals. This was the earliest method of transportation. Themselves we have to carry, otherwise carry with the animal. This is a one type of a method they followed that time, because no innovation related to transport, no innovation, no discovery of wheel. Okay, so here innovation of a wheel, then after this is a new part, innovation of a wheel, how they discover this. Okay, innovation of wheel. What happened actually that time? Innovation of a wheel was one of the important event. It is a type of a discovery for human. Okay, so this is an important event in history of a mankind. The wheel was invented in a large drawn out process which happened over a few stages. What happened that time? Wooden logs, they observe wooden log rolled out from top to bottom easily, without any hard work, without any muscular work. Okay, easily roll down top to bottom. They observe this. Hurry, this is a easy work to go to carry the load, to carry load. They observe. Then what happened? So slowly they attach such type of logs to each other, and then they started to roll one place to another place. Small distance, not a much distance, a small distance. Means that time also one type of a discovery they did. First of all, what happened? Top to bottom, this rolling procedure they observe. Then after, they attach different types of logs to each other and they started to move. They started to carry simple thing one place to another place. Small distance. Then after what they did? So they cut such type of wooden logs into disc. Small disc. They made a hole in center and they attached logs to each other in a like a cart way. Okay, they cut the wooden log in a disc. They made a hole in center. Means this is a one type of a wheel they made, and they attached the wooden logs over there. And then after, they started to move one place to another place. Okay, with the help of animals. So now what we are calling for that? Bullock cart. Okay, it is a one type of bullock cart. What they observe? Okay, such type of wooden logs they attach. They cut the log in a log like a disc. They made a hole in between them. They attached log and they started to move one place to another. Themselves they carried such type of a cart. Then after they observe, suppose instead of us, suppose we will attach animal, then again it will go easy to carry. So they attach animal over there. So now we are using a word for that, bullock cart. They made a cart like this way and then after they attach animal over there. This is a, now we are using a word as a bullock cart. This is a one type of a discovery, one type of a innovation. Okay, check in your textbook now. Supportive axle was also developed. Holes were made at the center of each wheel to which the end of the axles were fitted. Okay, over there they fitted such type of axle. Axles were fitted. The wheels move in a circular motion, means they cut over their logs into disc. They made a center over there. The wheel move in a circular motion on the axle. The olden wheel was found in what is believed to be Asian Mesopotamia. It was used as a potter's wheel. Already last lesson already we learned about a wheel invention for potter to make a different types of pot with a defined shape, particular shape, different size. Already we learned. So here discovery of a cart, discovery of a object means the how to move one place to another place, means heavy object how to carry. Okay, first of all, what they did, they carry themselves. Now they carry with the help of wheel. This is a one type of a development we can use word. This is a one type of a discovery. This is a discovery of wheel. Okay, so here page number 25 and page number 26, 26 only upper part, upper 5 lines. Okay, and page number 25 full page. Please read once again, follow this video and complete your study today itself. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.